Our last depreciation method will be the reducing balance method. This is also known as the diminishing balance method or the book value method. And this is where the depreciation amount reduces each period. For instance, in 2016, the depreciation was 8,000, while in 2017, the depreciation is 6,200. For 2018, the depreciation is 4,400. And in 2019, the depreciation is 3,100. So you can see every year the amount reduces. Now, if we have to compare the two depreciation methods, the straight line method versus the reducing balance method, we will see the following. In year 1, both of them will have the same amount for depreciation. But for year 2, the depreciation amount using the straight line method will remain at $8,000, while if we use the reducing balance method, it would be 6,200. And in year 3, the amount using the straight line method will still be 8,000, while in year 3 using the reducing balance method, it will be 4,400. And also in year 4, we can see the amount reduces using the reducing balance method, while it will stay the same using the straight line method. So if we use the straight line method, the value of the asset can reach 0, while if we use the reducing balance method, the value of the asset can never reach 0. Now, as opposed to the straight line method, the reducing balance method is useful when the greater benefits is enjoyed in the early years of its useful life. For an example, a computer. Now, how would we calculate depreciation using the reducing balance method? Well, we will take the cost price less the provision for depreciation, then we will get an answer, and we will take that answer multiplied with the percentage. Now, the book value is equal to the cost price less the provision for depreciation. That's why this method of depreciation is also referred to as book value method. Now, if we had to look at an example, again we have our trial balance, but in this extract, the provision for depreciation on vehicles is 24,000 and the provision for depreciation on equipment is 9,000. Cost price of vehicles is 100,000 and the cost price of equipment is 60,000. So now our adjustment reads as follows. Depreciation on equipment is charged at 15% reducing balance method. So to calculate our depreciation, we will take our cost price less our provision for depreciation, then we will get an answer, and that answer we will multiply with the percentage. So our cost price is 60,000, our provision for depreciation is 9,000, and 60,000 less 9,000 will give us 51,000, which we will multiply with the percentage, which is 15%, and that will give us a depreciation of 7,650. So in conclusion, our revaluation method is calculated by the value of the beginning of the year less the value at the end of the year. Our straight line method or cost price method is calculated by taking the cost price multiplied by the percentage, or the cost price divided by the estimated useful life, or cost price less residual value over the estimated useful life. And our reducing balance method or book value method is calculated by taking the cost price less the provision for depreciation, then you will get an answer, and then you will multiply that answer with the percentage.